In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments and highlighting in Basecamp to work more effectively with your to-dos. We'll start right inside your Basecamp project. First, make sure you're logged in and you've opened the project where your task lives. At the top of the project screen, you'll see different sections like Messages, To-dos, Schedule, and so on. Look for the To-dos section and click it. This is your home base for all the tasks in that project. If you manage a lot of work in Basecamp, it's a good idea to get comfortable finding this area quickly because almost everything task-related will start here. Once you're inside To-dos, you'll see one or more to-do lists. These are collections of tasks, often grouped by topic, phase, or team. Find the list you want to work with and click on it. In your own account, the list name will be something meaningful like marketing tasks or sprint backlog, rather than the placeholder text you might see in examples. Clicking the list will open up all of the individual to-dos inside it, so you can drill down into the specific work you want to discuss. Now, choose the particular to-do that you want to comment on and open it. Inside the to-do, scroll until you see the comment area. There's a text field that says something like, "Add a comment here." Click directly into that field. This is where you can leave updates, ask questions, share files, or capture decisions. Comments are really powerful in Basecamp because they keep all the conversation attached to the actual task instead of scattered across email or chat. With the comment field active, go ahead and type your message. You might explain what's been done so far, clarify next steps, or tag a teammate if you need their input. Taking an extra moment to write clearly can save a lot of back and forth later, so don't hesitate to be specific. As you're writing, you'll notice formatting options above or below the comment box. Look for the option labeled Highlight and click on it. Highlighting lets you emphasize key parts of your message, like deadlines, blockers, or important decisions. Use it to draw attention to the details you absolutely don't want your team to miss. Just be careful not to overuse it. Save highlighting for the most important bits so it actually stands out. When you're happy with your comment and any highlighted text, you're ready to post it and keep your team aligned right where the work happens.